Give me the pancake. Yeah. Give me the pancake. Give me the pancake. Oh shit. Give me the fucking pancake.
Oh god, you can't stop me.
Oh my god, how the fuck did she get the pancake?
How many she found on the floor?
It's bad for her cholesterol. Cholesterol, whatever the fuck.
Oh,
She's hissing and shit. Get the fucking pancake!
we just want the fucking get the fucking pancake.
Oh Christ.
Just stop, give us the fucking pancake.
Just give me the pancake. Oh my god.
Just give us the pancake, goddammit.
Ass up! Oh shit. Why are you so fucking mean?
Just give us the fucking pancake.
You ain't eating it.
God damn it. Hey.
Did you behind her?
Just let her eat the damn pancake, I guess.
If you have a heart attack, it's not my fucking problem.